In the rapidly changing world of today, having strong technical IT abilities is crucial. You may enhance your professional and personal life by actively and constantly improving your IT skills. You will have a better experience utilizing new technologies and be able to complete tasks more quickly if you have these skills. For instance, having IT skills can help you maintain a work-life balance, advance your career, and address technological problems on your own. Is there any new IT skills you wish to learn, or do you think some skill is set to come up in 2023? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Hey everyone, you're already watching Simplilearn, and here we are with a list of top 5 future-proof in-demand IT skills in 2023. If you love watching videos like this, do hit the subscribe button to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. So let's discuss each one by one. In the 5th position, we have cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the process of defending against systems that are connected to the internet, including their hardware, software, and data. This method is used by both individuals and companies to stop unauthorized access to data centers and other digital systems. In terms of cybersecurity, upholding data integrity, security, and privacy is also crucial. Remote working methods and the rise of cyber threats could bring down insecure firewall, putting national security at risk. Currently, businesses are looking for cybersecurity specialists with the necessary skills to fight against these threats. Since data is currently every company's most precious asset, it is a highly sought-after IT skill. Cybersecurity is being used in the areas of banking, healthcare, defense, technology, insurance, and national security. If you want to master this skill, check out Learn Cybersecurity Basics course on Skillup. Also, consider connecting with our mentor TTP to get tips and tricks and job guidance on the Skillup as part of the community on cloud and cybersecurity. In the 4th position comes data analysis. Data analysis is one of the most recent and rapidly expanding industries. For a variety of IT operations, data analysis abilities will be feasible. In order to identify relevant information, assist inferences, and help decision-making, data analysis is the method of analyzing, filtering, modifying, and modeling data. Every firm needs a data analyst to examine organizational data, assure production optimization, and wisely manage resources. Teams can identify security problems or operational inefficiencies by keeping an eye on the performance statistics. Different fields employ data analysis. It could be related to business, banking, geography, or anything else that involves data. If you want to master this skill, check out Learn Data Analytics for Beginners course on Skillup. Also, consider connecting with our mentor Avi Chawla to get job guidance for data analytics and data science on Skillup. In the 3rd position, we have blockchain technology. A cutting-edge database systems called blockchain technology allow for open information exchange inside a business network. In a blockchain database, data is held in blocks that are linked together in a chain. It can be used to protect access to specific data while facilitating access for those who need it in the industries like travel, healthcare, banking, and education. Blockchain technology has several advantages for asset transaction management, including enhanced security, increased efficiency, and quicker audits. Master blockchain with our Blockchain Basics course on Skillup. Following that, in the 2nd position is cloud computing. Data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software are just a few of the services that can be delivered through the internet as part of the cloud computing. Cloud computing companies like Alibaba Cloud, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, IBM Bluemix, and Amazon Web Services are the most well-known providers in the IT industries today. We now depend more than ever on easy data accessibility from everywhere due to the widespread use of the smartphones and other linked devices. And over 95% of businesses use the cloud to store data, make it accessible, and manage workloads. Multiple cloud experts such as cloud architects, cloud administrators, cloud security specialists, and many more can ensure a successful career in the field of cloud computing. Master cloud computing skills with our Introduction to Cloud Computing course on Skillup. And in the 1st position are AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are the 2 most crucial and in-demand IT skills. By using artificial intelligence, a computer-based robot can be made to function and behave like a person. Siri, Alexa, suggestions from companies such as Amazon and Flipkart, as well as automated driving like Tesla, are all examples of artificial intelligence in our everyday life. One of the areas of the data science that has grown significantly in recent years is machine learning. Each and every business is going digital, and they are all looking at machine learning algorithms to automate processes that often require manual labor, decreasing workload and increasing efficiency. A variety of businesses, including those in information technology, transportation, military, finance, healthcare, and education, are adopting these skills. If you want to master this skill, check out the Machine Learning Basics course on Skillup. Also, connect with our mentor Anand Jha for career guidance, tips and tricks on Skillup community on AI and machine learning. And with that, we come to the end of this list of top 5 IT skills of 2023. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Before I sign off, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the updates. We'll be back with more such interesting videos. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn. And consider going to the Skillup platform to get free learning, connect with mentors, and sharpen your skills with the daily quizzes.